We've got Marco's F-150. We're gonna show you how to center console swap from a bench seat. His truck is a 19, but this should work from 15 to 20 model years. He picked up a center console from the junkyard. So we'll go from the bench, the fold down seat. We're just gonna document the process. So if you wanna do this to your own truck, you'll know how. He's getting the old one cleaned up here from the junkyard. It was pretty beat up. Got to hang outside for a little bit until we went to pick it up. He is that what he said?
Yeah, he says these ones are way closer, but he said he thinks they're wrong, so he's sitting there with a heat gun, trying to get them on because he bought his pizza.
Kevin ordered me like wrong year F-150 ones, and they were pretty close. I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna make it work. Let me have your vacuum and I'll vacuum this shit out before we put it in.
Yeah. Did you find that piece of chicken?
No shit, these two. Got a little spoon. $7mm and a 1/4 inch ratchet with the wobbly. that guy. Keep track of all your screws. We'll transfer all of our switches since the other parts were sitting outdoor at the junkyard. Pretty shitty, dirty. A lot of wind, rain, snow. I snuck a couple 10 mils in here on this. That's nice. Save your media hub too in case the new console doesn't come with one. Your mother. Not at all. No, dude. Got the switches and everything switched over. And the vents, the other ones were filthy. H-backs. Yank the old floor vent out. You don't need it anymore. The new console has vents in it. So the HVAC won't go to your feet anymore. It'll be in the rear of the center console. Yeah, power of citrus, bitch. Shit falling out of this.
I finally took that out of my truck. It's been sitting in my truck since the day I bought it.
The goof up?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What's up? I'll come and see what I can come up with.
Got a little ghetto fab. Chopped factory duck. going super ghetto because we didn't grab the other piece from the junkyard. So I've cut the stock one down and cut the dividers out of it. And I'll just use HVAC duct tape to seal that off. Because it'll whistle. You'll have an annoying whistle under your dash if you don't seal up this duct. So we figured out something. The factory bolts that come out, they're 13 mil. They're a pretty big thread. I'm not sure what the thread pitch is, but when you put the center console in, it moves at the mounts. The factory brackets on the floor still work, but you're going to a different thread pitch. So we just had these lying around and they work, but I'm not sure what the thread pitch is. But to mount the console to the floor. Got some small leaks. They're not noisy, but you can feel the air go past. So we'll just fix those before we go together. Hand me some more tape. Oh, I can reach it. It's just a small leak. It's not like super powerful back here. I mean, that's a lot of weight to push air.
Yeah.
The factory ones aren't great. It is factory.
They didn't even feel them on the feet at all on the rear. So.
Yeah. But yeah, just a little bit. It's not terrible at all. I mean, for hacking up that duct.
Yeah. I didn't plan to ever connect it if it didn't come with a duct, but I saw that it had the duct. I was like, oh, we can make it work.
Well, yeah. You don't want everybody to be shitty and uncomfortable.
Yeah.
But not bad for ghetto fab.
Yeah. I'll take it.
Yeah.
It's a lot better than I was expecting today. So, other
Surprising.
than cup holders.
Yeah, that's
That was what I
pretty
did.
shitty.
I expected it not to have these. At least I got one.
Yeah. Where do those cover?
The bolts that go inside, right there. That 10 mil that you stuck that way.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, we have ambient lighting. Okay, so we'll just reach, so we can just tuck those. Tuck those guys.
This goes through the main plug then, huh?
Then this will reach your hub. Yeah, there's your factory one. I found it. I think we're gonna have to chop a part out. I turned it on and your radio played Jelly Roll. I said, shut off! It's like that.
Well, you can play up to like 15 seconds, I think is what it is.
You'll find out.
So it's fun. It'll be funny when you're not making money here, not monetized.
Yeah.
So. I think it's 15 or 20 seconds that you're allowed to play legally.
That's gonna be a bitch to plug in.
Or did we stick the vents on prematurely?
Just put those guys close. Hopefully we can reach them with the pick.
cup holders back in stock. Look at it, all complete. Got some pawpaw trim, the wood grain, and the door handles, the console, and his cup holders installed.